Hello, Wilbur. Hey, tree toppers, it's Cameron here, and this is part two to our video that we made the other day from IKEA, and we were going over some things for organization. And the studio is a little out of whack right now, so what I'm doing is installing some brackets to kind of help keep some things organized. And what they are, a little noisy there, sorry about that, but these brackets here basically go into the wall, and we bought some little cool hanging buckets to put paintbrushes, things like that inside of those to kind of keep everything organized in its own place so it doesn't get crossed up with everything else, cross-contaminated with our brushes and things like that. So I will be installing these, and why don't you just follow along with me, and let's do this. Organization 101. All of our brushes up, all of our paints up, our blow dryers, all of our paints, as you can see here, nice and organized, and we're gonna do our best to keep it just like this. Cross your fingers with me, but it came out well, it came out good, and this just helps us kind of stay way better in tune in the studio. So, take a look at that. Thank you so much for joining me. I finally got the project done. I wanted to get some racks up for our organization. As you can see, we did that. Go ahead and leave us some comments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Treetop Karma. and see all the wonderful things that we come up with. It's been a blast getting all of our organization up, as sometimes we can definitely kind of lose track in the studio as it's been really hectic. So we wanted to definitely get this project done. So thank you so much again for joining, and you guys have a good night. Yes,